Imagine spending hours on your Facebook ad only to have people scroll right past it. Frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there's one simple tweak that could explode your ad results? It's not rocket science. It's all about mastering the hook. Stick with me, because today I'm breaking down exactly how to make your Facebook video ads so irresistible that your audience can't help but watch. Let's dive in. Hey there, I'm Sean, your guide for mastering marketing and business growth strategies. I've been in the game for over 30 years, and trust me, I've seen it all. Facebook ads can feel like a gamble, but here's the thing. There's a secret weapon most people overlook. The first 3 seconds, known as the hook. If your hook doesn't grab attention, nothing else in your ad matters. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create hooks that capture attention, build connections, and drive results. Let's get started. The hook isn't about selling your product. It's about getting someone to and pay attention. Think of it like this. If your ad is a movie, the hook is the trailer. It gives just enough to make people want more. Here's your action step. Before creating your ad, ask yourself, what will make my audience say, wow, that's for me? Write down 3 ways your ad can instantly connect with their needs or pain points. Keep it simple and specific. Callouts are one of my favorite ways to grab attention. They use labels or descriptions that people identify with. For example, instead of saying, are you stressed? Which Facebook doesn't like, say, young dads juggling work and family often feel overwhelmed. See the difference? The first feels generic, the second feels personal. List 5 traits your audience might identify with, like motivated men, tech-savvy entrepreneurs, or first-time dads. Use these traits in your hook to speak directly to your people. Questions are like magic. A good question pulls people in because they want to answer it in their head. For example, do you struggle to make Facebook ads work? It's clear, relatable, and makes your audience think, yes, that's me. Write 3 questions and solve a problem for your audience. Keep them short, like tired of your ads getting ignored, or want to know the secret to more clicks. Use these to kick off your ad. Conditional statements are like questions but with a twist. They follow the formula. If you problem, then solution. For example, if your Facebook ads aren't bringing in leads, we've got the fix. This style works because it makes your audience feel seen and offers them hope. Think about the biggest pain point your audience faces. Then write 1 or 2 if-then hooks that offer a solution. Bonus tip, test these against your questions to see which grabs more attention. People love success stories. When you lead with a big result like, see how we helped the client boost their sales by 200%, you spark curiosity. It makes people think, wow, how did they do that? Find a success story from your business, even if it's small. Write it into a hook, like, discover how John went from 0 leads to 50 in a week. Stories sell, so don't be shy about sharing yours. Your hook isn't just words, it's also about what people see. Bright colors, movement, or even a stunning background can make your ad stand out. For example, imagine starting your ad with you walking through a beautiful park saying, let me show you the secret to Facebook ads success. That grabs attention. Brainstorm how to add visual pop to your next ad. Use colorful backgrounds, natural light, or even subtle movement, like walking while you talk. Keep it authentic, but make it interesting. Here's the thing. No one gets it perfect on the first try. That's why testing is key. Create multiple hooks for the same ad, and then see which one gets the most attention. For example, one hook might be a question, another a call out, and another a success story. Plan to test at least 3 hooks for your next ad. Track which one performs best by measuring your hook rate, 3-second views divided by total impressions. Let the numbers guide you. Hook rate is the percentage of people who watch the first 3 seconds of your ad. It's simple to calculate. Divide your 3-second views by the total impressions. A good hook rate means more people are sticking around to hear your message. Create a custom metric in Facebook Ads Manager to track your hook rate. Then, use that data to improve. If a hook isn't performing, tweak it and test again. Remember, the goal is to grab attention fast. Every now and then you'll see an ad and think, wow, that's genius. Don't just scroll past, learn from it. Study what made it work and adapt it for your audience. Remember, the best marketers are also great students. Spend 15 minutes a week analyzing other ads. Screenshot the ones that catch your attention and brainstorm how you can use similar ideas. Keep a hook library for inspiration. Now that you know how to create scroll-stopping hooks, it's time to take your Facebook ads to the next level. I've got a free resource to help you do just that. My ebook. Download it today at the Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com and learn how to create ads that convert like crazy. Don't wait. Your success starts now. Creating great Facebook ads isn't magic. It's strategy. And now, you've got the tools to make it happen. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment below, and share it. It says, share it with someone who needs to level up their ads. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more business growth tips. See you next time.